Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Paddington Terrace and we are going to take a look at the construction that's going on in this area. Now they have a lot of residential units being built in this area. I think the last time we did the video we counted at least 4 major developments going on. So right here on the left now we have one. There you can see, very nice development. We actually have a sign up. Not going to be able to really get that sign in. So this is Paddington Terrace. Okay, where you see that blue fence, that's another one, but the house is still there. They haven't demolished it yet. But there's a lot of construction going on in Jamaica. Okay, this is another one. And we'll come back and make individual videos of each site and give you more details on them, but for now we're just doing a general overview. Okay, this looks like 2 sites. This one here is one, and then straight ahead is another one because they're actually separated by this house in between. So this is actually another one now. So that's 3 major developments that we have seen in this area. It seems to be a massive one too. Okay, here is another one. This one looks like it's close to being completed though. So that's that's 4 major sites we've passed so far, and then this is number 5 here on the left. And you notice how many apartment buildings they have finished already and still more going up. then this is another one up here now. Alright, so we're going to continue the tour. This is the one we looked at before, just from a different angle. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And remember, we give you update videos on all the major construction going on in Jamaica. Any major development, we give you the update every 2 weeks. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, have a good day.